I won't invest in my children. I will outsource my youth job.
I will dismantle my union job.
I will secure my pension. I will lower your wage. I will contract foreigners. I will open borders. I will jail you for having wrong opinions. I will unalive your brother and sister. I won't leave you a penny. I won't hire your friends. I won't let you inherit my house. I will sell the house to foreign investors. I will sell the whole country too. I am Boomer, eater of children. No generation had so much and money and left so little.
Après le déluge, nous consommerons tout.